Hi guys, after 2 months finally it's here. Galaxy Tab Ace S8 Plus 5G. Let's unbox it. Oh man, this looks awesome. First on top is the tablet itself. Then in the box we have S Pen, in this box we have power cable. It's USB-C to USB-C. And this little one, what we have, it's SIM ejaculator tool and user guide. Now let's turn this thing on for the first time. I wanted this model because it's perfect size for me and my taste. Not big, not too small. This model have 12.4 inches display, but you have the bigger one, Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. It is too big for me and my usage. That tablet has 14.6 inches display. I think this model is great to use. It's not too big and not too small. Perfect size for me and my taste. I don't know for you guys. Now let's turn this thing on for the first time. Now let's put SIM card in the SIM card slot. It's from our mobile operator Yettel. It has memory card slot for expandable memory, which support the SD card up to 1 terabyte. Now let's put SIM card in the SIM card slot. It's from our mobile operator Yettel. didn't want to bother with the features since there are lots of videos on YouTube. Let's see how S Pen charging works. On display will show S Pen sign, which will showing charging status or how much battery life have in the S Pen. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.